Today was the Rain Gutter Regatta and it was awesome.
This week, Ryder and Rustin got to do the Rain Gutter Regatta. For this, they had to make boats and race them down a little rain gutter.
Making my own boat was hard.
I made it all by myself. The details of this boat are, has teeth, has a cone sail, it's black and silver, it's awesome.
I just raced.
This is neck and neck, neck and neck.
Neck and neck.
Oh, looks like, hey. Close, Rustin.
I'm not going again.
Yeah. Tell me about what happened today.
I raced my boat 3 times, and I failed twice, and I only won once.
I decided to switch the position of the sails because the bottom sail wasn't really working, but when I switched the position of the sails, my boat bobbed up and down in the water. And I lost because the sail was too far down, and I probably would have gotten a better score if I didn't do the cone sail.
It got 3rd place. And it got the best paint job.
The Rain Gutter Regatta was really fun.
Yay!